This video from Sharp Help, we're taking a look at basic operation of the XE-A207 register. So we're going to show you how to process a standard sale on the machine. The first things to check are that you're in the reg mode. So REG mode is displayed on screen here. That means we're in the register mode, so we can process a sale. And also we're logged on, and we can tell this because 01 on the other side of the display means that operator 1 is logged into the machine. How you process a transaction will depend on how the machine's been programmed up for you, but out the box standard operation to sell an item through one of your 16 department buttons is to simply enter the price without pressing the decimal point and then press the appropriate department button. So we've sold $1.99 through department 2, which is our service department. If you've got departments preset with a price, then you simply press the department button. So department number 9 on this machine we've got set to lottery at £2, so you can just hit the button as many times as you want. If they've ordered a lot of a particular preset item, you can simply type in the quantity, then your multiply button here, and then your department button again. So they're the basic two ways of processing a department transaction. You either type in the price and assign it to an open department, or you have a preset department that you simply hit the button of. When you've entered all your items, subtotal, and then on the 207 you've got a couple of different ways of cashing off a transaction. So you have TLNS, which is for cash payments here. So if they'd handed over £40, you'd simply type in 4000, cash the transaction off. You get a receipt printout. If you've got receipt switched on, you can turn this off and then print a copy receipt on request. I've got another video showing you how to set that up. The other ways of tendering a sale off would be either CH1 or CR1. So you've got 3 methods of payment. So normally you'd use TLNS for cash payments and one of these buttons for your card payments. There's also a payment menu screen, which I'll look at on another video, but really 3 methods of payment should be enough for a standard retail business. The other type of sale you can do is obviously a PLU sale. So the departments would be the most common way of processing a transaction, but also on this machine you can have PLUs programmed in. Obviously, because the machine isn't a flat keyboard machine with preset PLU buttons, the way you access the PLUs is by typing in the number here and then pressing the PLU sub button. So that brings up my PLU1 on the display. I'm not sure how many I've got programmed in, but you can have different types of PLUs. That first one was a preset PLU. This one is an open PLU where you type in the price and then TLNS to confirm. And again, once you've entered all your PLU items, subtotal over here, and then depending on the method of payment, you either type in the money here, or if they're handing over the exact amount, you can hit one of your method of payment buttons. So yeah, that's the basic operation of the 207. As I've said before, there's plenty of other videos showing you how to program and use this machine, some of which are appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.